No.
Yeah. That was that. My mom and dad got that one. My mom. Pretty good driver.
Where you going now?
I don't know how he did.
What are you doing, Caleb? You getting animal crackers and guppies here? Here comes your brother, wild man.
I don't know.
Is it running down?
The batteries ain't gonna be much more.
There's a battery in it?
Yeah. It's running out, isn't it, Evan?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
All done.
Trot to Boston. Trot to Lynn. If they don't get you, they'll fall.
Hi.
Hello.
Good to Gummy. Come here, to Grandma.
Go see Grandma.
Evan, Caleb. Caleb. Hi.
Say.
Look at him go.
I can't believe that.
Where you going? Tired. Are you tired, aren't I?
Where you going?
Whoop.
Whoopsie daisy. Oh boy. Oh my goodness, you're Hi. How are you? All set? There we go. Hang on.
Hi, Evan. Hi, I see your eyeball. I see you. I see your nose. I can see your eye. Do you see Grammy? You know you can't see Grammy. Where you going, Caleb? Where are you going? Oh, boom! Where are you going? Caleb! Ow! Caleb! Doggy? You say doggy? There you go. What? I don't want another one, honey. See if Dakota wants it. You give one to Dakota? What a good boy. He liked that animal cracker, didn't he? It went right down in his tummy?
Yeah. My tummy too.
It's a What is that?
What's this?
It's too little. It's gone.
Yeah, you gotta throw it that way, honey, okay?
Okay.
Throw it. All right.
Oh, he's gone. I wanted to get him up there with his grandmother.
To the left. Where does that come out? It's always late for a while.
Take a left, you go up there. Well, you take the damn mini road, you end up this side of Bradbury. Yeah?
I used to take that with you.
Well, okay, because we came up that way. But there's so many back roads up there, I get mixed on. You could. I think there's the turned where the schoolhouse was. Well, it turned during the winter, and I forgot to tell her. She goes right up the road. She just, and you go down that road, and my escape is right there.
behind you.
Yeah, but you got all those other roads going off on it.
Wait.
Yeah, the little shack. Pull up a chair.
Yeah, okay, 1 minute.
I've got it framed.
It's a long time.
Kathleen.
What?
Granny used to take me that way to go to work. Yeah.
All right.
Good cake, wasn't it?
Very good.
Delicious.
So,
Are you done, Libby? Yeah. Yeah, well, I think we better go. Yeah, we better go.
I'll look at my card. Come on.
Jennifer comes in and poke it in.
Can you see to open it?
All right.
Yeah, maybe Eric can help us.
Take the end off the
That's our
Wonderful, I know.
Wow.
library.
Yeah,
we had.
very good.
Wood.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
All right,
Bob,
let's
you
get
got
it.
the styrofoam
Yeah, all right.
boxes if you're looking
Think of
for
one, girls.
no.
Come on.
something, ain't we?
Oh.
Concrete block like we have.